Hello, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll discuss about the types of loop that is present in Java programming language. In Java, there are mainly three types of loop. For example, for loop, while loop, do while loop, and this one also one kind of loop. This is not the traditional loop. So these three are traditional loop, and this one is the enhanced for loop. Also, we have nested loop. Nested loop is nothing but the loops that are created using all these loops, traditional loops. And infinite loop, by the name you can understand that this is one kind of loop, but this one is the infinite loop. There is a possibility by the condition you can stop the infinite loop, but you have to be careful that the condition should be always should be infinite, otherwise the loop will continue till infinite number of times and you will face the problem. Okay, other than this, we have the break and continue statement. To handle the conditionally loop, you can use the break and continue statement. So in summary, we can say that for loop are best known when the number of iteration is already known. In case of while loop, are ideal when you don't know how many times the loop will be executed. In case of do while loop, these are used when at least one iteration is guaranteed. In case of for each loop, it provides a simplified way to loop over collections and arrays. In case of nested loops, are very much powerful but can become costly in terms of performance. So the time complexity can be costly in case of nested loops. So nested loop means while loop can be nested, for loop can be nested, do while loop can be nested. And in case of infinite loops, it should be used very much carefully. Specific scenario where a process must run indefinitely. Also, you can use the break and continue statement to allow more control over the loop execution. So these are some loops that we can use in our Java programming language. So I'll take one example at a time in separate sessions, and I'll discuss about each and every loop one by one. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.